Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo Chen of Levitate Style. Back again with another sneaker review. Today we got the Jordan 11 Lows. Before we get into this video, please follow me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. Also, hit that subscribe button. We got a new style video on this channel every week. All right guys, another sneaker review video here. We got the Jordan 11 Lows. These came out I think like a month ago, 2 months ago now. Finally getting around to them now. It's been a busy summer, so really excited to do this quick video for you guys. We got this new version of the Air Jordan box. We have the classic Air Jordan logo at the top with this black and gray look. Got the Nike Air logo on the side here. I like this version of the box. It's really nice and clean. It's definitely different from the recent Jordan boxes that I've got. This is the Jordan 11 Retro Low, the white, university red, and black. And this retails for $185. All right, got the box here. Let's open this thing up. Got the black plastic wrap here. And here it is, nice and clean. Another pair of the Air Jordan 11 Lows. If you guys didn't know, the Jordan 11 is one of the most popular models that came out of all of the Air Jordan history lines. And the Low edition is really nice and clean for the summer season. You got the black patent leather on the top, the classic feature of the Jordan 11. And to mix things up, they added the red bottom as you would see on the Bred 11s. So I love this colorway. It's really nice and clean and is mashing up two of the most popular Air Jordan colorways out there. The upper that looks like the CONCORD 11s, and on the bottom you have the look of the classic Bred 11s. For the low cut of a sneaker, I usually go with my true to size 10.5. For high tops, I usually prefer a size 11 because it's an easier way for me to fit in and I don't need time to break in. So 10.5 for me for the low, and they fit really well. Of course, I had to get my Chicago Bulls gear on for this video. This I actually just picked up from Chicago. I was there recently, and this is part of the Ness throwback jacket. I've been seeing this on the Last Dance documentary, so I finally was able to pick one up. And yeah, it matches perfectly with the sneakers here. A big difference for the Jordan 11 Lows here, the upper is all leather, even the tongue. And then you have the classic Jordan logo labeling in the middle here. And you got the white laces for the all white upper. On the back, you have the number 23 in red, and you have this tiny Jumpman in black. So here it is next to the Bred 11 Lows that came out, I think a few years ago now. As you can see, it's a very similar pair with the upper more looking like the CONCORD 11s. Really, when you're looking from the patent leather down to the sole, it's basically the same pair of sneaker. Side by side next to each other, you can see the older version has the mesh material that they use, more true to the original. On this one, it is all leather. To me, I actually don't like that it's all leather. It actually looks more like a golf shoes for some reason. It's a little too clean, if that makes sense. I actually don't love the all leather upper. I think they should have really stick true to the original materials. That kind of looks a little bit better, more casual. I got the CONCORD 11s here. This is the number 45 version that just came out recently. So next to each other, you can see the uppers with this fabric mesh material versus the leather upper. I really think they should have just gone with the same material. I think that would have looked a lot better. Also, I'll show you guys a close-up of this, but as you can see on the back, the Jumpman, the new version, this Jumpman looks like a little cartoon. It just doesn't look as good. The older version is a lot nicer and cleaner. It's just kind of funny, like this kind of looks like a fake pair version with the cartoonish Jumpman on the back. I think the Jordan 11 Lows is a much easier sneaker to rock in 2020. I think back then this is still a pretty crazy sneaker to be rocking casually. I think nowadays with all kinds of sneakers like Easy and Balenciagas, this is not as crazy to rock a patent leather pair of sneaker that's low cut. I think if you rock it now with a retro style jacket like this, or a vintage t-shirt, or even one of those summer button-up shirts I keep telling you guys about, I think you can really rock it and it's gonna look real nice. Overall, for this pair of sneaker, I think I'm gonna rate it like maybe 6.5 out of 10. I like the color execution. It is something new. It's a mashup between two of the most popular Air Jordan 11s out there. but I honestly don't love the leather upper. It kind of just makes it look like a golf sneaker for some reason. And also little things like the Jumpman on the back, but overall it's a clean sneaker. I think it's nice to add this to your rotation. It's great for the summer. I think this is maybe one of those colorways that Jordan should have released earlier. It goes really well with all the Chicago Bulls gear, of course. So overall, I think 6.5 out of 10 kind of makes sense. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to know your thoughts. So there you have it, guys, a quick review on the Air Jordan 11 lows. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the 11s as a low cut? Do you like this new colorway? Do you like this leather material that I don't like it? But yeah, let me know in the comments. Also, let me know which of the 11 colorway is your favorite. I think it's really hard to choose between Concords, Space Jams, the Breads, even the Cool Grays. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.